This Berkshire Hathaway HomeServices Florida Realty property video is presented by Paul Vacco. You will love coming home. Modern and amp, functionable Pennant Floor plan offers 4-bed, office/den, 3.5 baths, 3-car garage loaded with custom features and upgrades. Chef's kitchen, blue Star Professional Gas Cooktop and amp, upgraded vent hood. New upper kitchen cabinet modification including a wine wall. Huge counter surfaces and island seats 5. High-end refrigerator and double wall oven convection microwave. Large formal dining with floating shelves. Custom privacy French doors open to the office/den. Plantation shutters on windows and tile throughout living. Bedrooms include a high-end quality with laminate flooring. Closets by design, built-in closets in master and amp, ensuite guest bedroom. Walk-in pantry and large laundry room also have built-in shelving. Outdoor living includes weather-resistant cabinets and amp, mini fridge. Custom designed pool and amp, spa offers large pool deck, waterfall displays and double seating with granite table. All screened in with picture window pool cage. Garage is equipped with heavy-duty overhead storage racks and has EliteCrete Resin Flake Flooring. Electric hurricane shutter closes off the patio for safety. Home has a 100-gallon propane tank feeds the gas cooktop. For more information, review the details below or contact Paul Vacco at 239-776-1960.